Hi friends, welcome to A&S Soft Technologies. This is Vijay, and today I'm going to explaining about the new topic, that is on-page optimization. And previously we have discussed about the Google Webmaster Tools, and today it is the new topic and it is on-page optimization. In the search engine optimization, there are two topics: on-page optimization and off-page optimization. So on page and off page are very important for search engine optimization. So what is the goal of search engine optimization? The goal of the search engine optimization is uh, the goal of the search engine optimization is your website must be in the top 10 or top 5 results whenever a user searches on a search engine, or a top 1 or top 2 or top 3, and you want to generate more money and you want to generate more leads. That is the main thing. So that is the main search engine optimization. So if you are in the first page if you are in the first page of the Google, whenever a person searches on a by using a keyword, so it is very useful for generating more leads. So for say, by using the search engine optimization of organic results, you can get more results and more money. That is the major use. So for doing that, there are two techniques for search engine optimization. One is on page optimization and next is off page optimization. So on page optimization, so what in the on page optimization, as we are doing a digital marketing executive, all the people will concentrate on the HTML code of the website. On page optimization concentrates on HTML code of a website. So if you have a website, and if you have a website, every website has a large number of pages, large number 10, 15, hundreds of pages, and every web page is in the html coding only. So it is not very difficult. HTML coding is very difficult. It is easy and understandable to everyone. So within the HTML coding only we will change it. So only 10% work will pay in the total SEO. On page optimization is 10% and off page optimization is 90%. So but based on this 10% is also factor, this 10% also is very important for getting your website on the top 10 results of your on a top 10 of results on a search engine results page. So for example, you have chosen a keyword such as, like, you have a business and the competition is very less. So no one the competition is very less, and some on page optimization is necessary to getting the top rank. So what are the checklist, what are the things we have to check on the Google? For example, this is for example this is the pizza online pizza.com. For example, control u, this is the, if you click on control u, you will go to the source code. Source code is an html language only. The source code is HTML language. Every every website is on HTML language only. So you can understand, so Google, you can understand it easily. So we can change it very easily, and it is very easy, it's not it's not very tough. So these are the checklist. For a web page, there is a title tag, meta descriptions, meta keywords, and header tag, image tag, and internal links, and anchor text, and content optimization. These are the checklist of on-page optimization we are concentrating. For example, if you have a web page, or you have created a new web page and you have created a content, so you have, for on-page optimization, you have to concentrate on these are the things. Whether it is the page is good for on-page optimization, good for search engine optimization, on-page optimization is good or bad. If the on-page optimization is good only, the Google bots or the crawlers will understand the web page very easily, and it is a SEO friendly on page. You can get more rank, easy rank, within the search engine results page. So on page optimization, these are the checklist. So today I'm going to explain. The first thing is title tag. What is a title tag? And so this, see, in the slide, next slide, what is a title tag? So for example, I search in Google such as like SEO. In this slide, see, I search in Google such as like SEO. There are lot of web pages came, website in the search engine results page. There are a lot of websites came here. See, this is the title tag in the which I am showing the arrow. This is the title tag. So on the red box, that is the title tag. So title tag is very important, and because the user or the people will see the title and click based on the information on the title tag, user attracts and click on the website. User attracts and click the website, and every user reads the title from left to right. So within 10 to 15 characters, your title is very important. The keyword is very important. You have to put your main keyword in the title tag. So see, you have to see such as like I'm just searching jute order jute bags online. Order jute bags online. These are the ads, and for ads also title tag is important. See, and see this is the first page. This is the first website, and the rank is 1. See, jute bags hyphen buy jute bags online. This is the title, and the second title is also same, jute bags hyphen buy jute bags online, buy jute bags colon, and see, Mitra.com jute handbags return gift. See, these are the titles. These are titles for every web page. So based on the titles only, people will attract and click on that website. People will attract, and so title tag is very important. So title is this one, and title tag in the search engine results page is this one, and title for tag for the website is this one. See, title tag in browser is, you can see, you will see in the, see here, title tag in the browser is, this is the title tag and this is the title tag. You will see, for example, this is the Domino's Pizza website, and the title tag is this one. See, on the browser is order pizza online hyphen order pizza online break Domino's Pizza online ordering pizza delivery, and this is the title tag. So based on the title tag only, the Google bots reads the title tag and gets the information as soon as possible. So, so you guys, so title tag is very important. So today I am going to explaining about the new topic within the SEO, such as like blogger. So blogger is very important. If you don't have a website, if you want to do SEO, search engine optimization, or if you have to search engine, and if you want to work on a website, such, what is a blogger? Blogger is same as like website. Blogger is same as like website. It contains, and we can add any number of web pages on a blogger. So the for a normal website, we have to buy that website, and we have to upload the website on a server, and we have to pay money for that, pay money. So blogger, for example, pay money. So for blogger and website, we have to do the SEO. The SEO is same. The search engine optimization, on page and optimization is the same, but there are some restrictions on the blogger, because Google restricts, Google, there are some restrictions on the blogger. So if you have your own website, you can the server, the for the blogger, the host, we can, our website, our blog is on the server. So because the blogger is really speed, there is no problem with the speed, but people will go for own website. But we can earn, there are a lot of people earning large amount of money by using the bloggers. So click uh, click blogger, just enter blogger in the Google. See, the owner of the blogger is Google. So if you have a Gmail account, So you can create your own blogs. So you can by using your own Gmail ID and your password, you can create any number of blogs. So this is the introduction of blogger, and also what is the title tag, and what are the advantage, what is the tag, what should we have to do. So for example, if you want to create, this is my blogger, these are all of my blogs, previously created blogs: digital marketing topics, medical coding training. These are my previous blogs. So if you want to create a new blog, just click on new blog and select that. You have to give your title, whatever the title you want to give. So I'm just giving on page PATE on page SEO tactics. I'm just giving, and for example, whenever you are here, you does not need a space, because this is the SEO tactics. So on page SEO, whether your address is available, and you have to select the theme over here. So I'm just selecting simple theme, because I'm just selecting the simple theme. So your blog is created same as like your website. So see, our blog is website. This is the home page, on page SEO tactics. This is the home page, and we can add any number of websites, see, this is the edit button. We can edit on that, we can edit on the home page also. If for example, if we click on this one and click remove, I did not want to display about my information here, so I just removing here and click on save. So everything is removed, and just refresh. So everything is removed. I did not want to display this information also, so I'm just removing. So this is the page, this is the web page. And see, see here, what is the title is on page SEO tactics. This is the home page, and this is the title of the blogger. So here I'm creating a new page. See, this is the dashboard of the blogger, and dashboard contains different posts, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layouts, theme, and settings. If we click on a theme, we can change any of the theme. For example, there are a lot of options. New themes are there: Contempo, Soho, Emporio, Notable, Simple themes. In simple themes also there are different options. So we can change that. We can switch to different themes. Different themes. We can switch to different themes here. Watermark themes, awesome ink themes. So I'm just going for simple theme, and I'm just clicking this theme. So apply to blog. Your theme is applied, and just refresh. So that the theme will be, the changes are within a second, the changes will be same. So the blogs are very easy. So within a second we can change our themes, and we can add any number of pages. So here, see, I just want to add a new page, such as like new page, and adding on page. I'm just giving the title tag, such as like page, on page tips, tips. And I'm just copying, I'm just typing something. We have to provide the information here, and there are a lot of options. See, compose, HTML, uh, font size. We can check a heading, and we can add any number of links, images, and so all the things. We can add other languages also, in the blog. So Hindi, we can add Telugu also, we can add Telugu also, Hindi also. So just click save, and we can click the preview also here. So we can This is the preview of a blog. So this is the preview on page tactics, and we had created the page and on page tips. This is the page, this is the home page, and this is the page, web page. This is the web page and the title of the page, and this one. So this is a preview. And publish means it is not publishing means we are submitting in the on event, we are submitting in, it goes to the live, it goes to the live. So whenever someone searches like on page SEO tactics dot blog dot, it goes to the live. So I'm just publishing, and here we can see there are pages, all pages, published pages. So here we can see the page here, the web page here. Here we can see the web page here. So this is the blogger, this is the blogger. See, the problem here is, the problem here is on the web page is, see, whenever see the title tag here. For example, title tag of, for example, triples.in. This is the website. See the website. This is the title tag of the home page. Latest government jobs.in, jobs 2016, 1 lakh government jobs in India. This is the title tag. See, this is the title tag of our home page. See, title tag. So see the title tag of, this is another page, or for example this is another page, and see the title tag here, latest bank job. See, this is the home page, and just going to another page, there is sub page, Hindustan Airlines Limited. See, in the title tag, in the title tag is different, and the home page is not coming in the title tag. But in the blog, whenever if you go to the this is our newly created page. See, on page SEO tactics colon on page tips. On page tips is the new page which we have created just now. On page SEO tactics is the home page. So these both are binding together in the title tag. So this is not SEO friendly. So SEO friendly, we have to create SEO friendly title tags in the blogger. So that is the problem. In the next session, in the next session, how to rectify the problem and how to solve the problem of the title tag, we will discuss about the title tag. And thank you guys, you have understood everything about the blog. Just go to the blogger.com and create your own blog and write the any number of select a theme and play around, just play around, or check, just play around and create new pages, and like that. So it will be very useful, and large amount of people are earning large amount of money by using blogs. There are a lot of bloggers in the world. So the problem, you guys understood the problem is in the title, in the child page, in the title tag, the home page colon child page is coming. It is, so if I create another page, home page, the title tag, home page is attaching in the title tag. So I want to remove, I just want to display only the only the child page in the child page title name in the title tag. So that is the so in the next session I will show you how to rectify in this information. So thank you guys, and thank you.